In the bottom, man.
Winalayer lang ko to ko.
Kill that guy. Kill that guy. Good.
He did. That's a real guy. People running.
Cut the card, eh? Cut the card, eh? Cardio.
Where the fuck is the car?
Shut the fucking doors.
Ulak.
Yeah, there's real people on top for sure.
That the room?
Let me have your money, please.
Good.
Fox. Oh shit, you're about to die.
This fucker almost downed me, man. Hey, he attacked him. Oh, no, that's Revan, man. That's the guy who was inspiring me.
I bought a loadout. Turbo. Moik. I got a loadout over here.
Ah, yan ngay laban kami yela ko. Away ko.
We got you guys a loadout if you survive the cooler.
Yeah.
Squad mate redeploying to the AO.
Where? Okay.
Is still up there?
Yeah.
Are you guys trying to go back up there? There's the CP over here going straight up there. There's people up there.
Hey, you didn't see that guy die? He just went inside the window. He flew inside the window.
I dropped it.
Yeah, people, there's a lot of footsteps up there. Oh, real people right here die, nigga. Hey, motherfucker. I'm shooting enough reload. Oh.
I broke them with this fucking.
There's a lady, what?
D4.
There's a lady killing me, what the fuck?
Do you have a C4 with you now, Dave?
Yeah, I dropped it with them. Yeah. Oh no, no, I ran out. Just one. I just got one. I sent the drone and the C4.
Earn redeployment or die trying.
Gusto mo gawin, Ross?
Nope.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Peek, motherfucker.
Peeking.
Great, man. Hey, glow. Watch out.
I'm just trying to see where the fuck motherfucker are. Shit, the fuck is this? A little guy?
He's down.
There's another one. Oh, that's Fox. Another one. Another one, nigga.
Out of ammo, man. I mean, plates. I was gonna jump back out, but I got stuck on the wall. Fuck.
Oh, you got killed by another
There's one more still there.
Oh no, motherfuckers won't do it.
Wait, lad.
Oh shit. Yeah.
And this guy using your sniper, bro.
What the fucker? Motherfucker. What a contract.
Ya, stowa mo ka rin.
Hey, there's a lot of
Got out of
blades
warning.
in there, bro.
You need
Oh my
money.
Money.
Relocating safe.
Loot na gun. You know,
Hey, that one is fast, bro.
and below, murung. Yan ang money ng corner. Murung katawli. Yan ang lanas ng corner. Man. Bro, minimum mo. Say, 4,000. Alam, igalak lo kaya lumaw. Murung katawli. Man. Patakas masuk ko play top.
Oh, fuck. Give me some.
Play it up. Let me see your right.
Play up. Kukuha
Tuwa.
ba? Kabursa nga man. Yan lalaban.
Labo.
Laban. On your left. Tigtak pa man kukuha man. At saka kukuha mo. Dali yan. Player man.
Punta, sakto no.
Anime PNI Warrior.
Yeah, what? You guys don't like researching regular? Fox right. You don't like play researching regular? Yeah, man. Yo, this. Yeah, man. Yeah. Whatever. Whatever, bro. Like, what the fuck? Alright, he's like, what? Fuck got a friend you, man. Fuck that man. You don't wanna meet each other no matter what. Get the fuck out of here. Fucking hating pussy. Tom, yo, Dom, bro. Are you sleeping? Yo, Dom, you sleeping? Bang. Dom, you
What's up,
here?
bro? Give me a minute. Yeah, give me a minute.
Alright, I give you 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever you need.
All right.
Alright, let me go smoke a cigarette.
Fletcher, man, he was an awesome linebacker. Mariota on first. Jeffrey, man, he was an awesome.
The ironic thing about life is that you are a different person to everyone you meet. To some, you're quiet. To others, you never stop talking. Some remember you for your kindness. Others, for the time you walked away. You are a villain in someone's story, a hero in another's. And to most, you're just a passing thought, a name they once knew.
Just a bathroom
You don't
talk.
exist as one person, but as
That's some
countless
CBO
versions
idiot.
of yourself, shaped by fleeting moments and personal perceptions. The ironic thing about life is,
did you know that men are going to arrive in heaven 30 minutes earlier than women will?
how?
Bible says it. Revelation chapter 8:1. When he opened, there was silence in heaven for about half an hour. Did you know that men are going to arrive in heaven 30 minutes earlier than women?
How?
A truly wow moment. Don't get your beat from AKA Ferrari F50. Break it down. Run, 50 Cent. Who's next? Let's make it. You say you a gangster, but you never got money. You say you a wankster, and you need to stop running. You ain't no kin of mine. What makes you think that I will run up on you with the nine? We do this all the time. Right now we on the grind. So hurry up and cop it, go. We selling mix it down. So this is so fine. I gotta make a mind. I ass like that, gotta be one of a kind. I cross them every time, punch them with every line. I'm fucking with their mind. I make them press for wine. They know they can't shine if I'ma run around. Been on parole since 94 cause I commit the crime. I say in my line. I did it through the nine. The thieves ran up in my crib, you know who dropped it down. You say you a gangster. Whoop your head, boy. You know I will. Whoop your head, boy. If you back and steal, I whoop your head, boy. You catch me, you peel, I whoop your head, boy. Your ass me, you peel, I whoop your head, boy. You know I will. I whoop your head, boy. When you back and steal, I whoop your head, boy. You catch me, you peel, I whoop your head, boy. Another sensational surprise from the U-Mac. That's from the right strap. Man, all that like the voice in my head said for flawless. Man, my homies, they want to do whatever they want to. I say I want to. They say it's too. Let's ride around. Find me stuck on Front Street. With the signs on, niggas be looking like Front Street. I run up on them, pop one on the floor. Tell them come up on that shit before we start popping some more. The ski mask, they ain't even know who I is. I got a full clip, and niggas know how you is. You know how I will, with your head, boy. Back and steal, with your head, boy. You catch me, you peel, with your head, boy.
Low dog. Are you ready? Dumpski?
Go ahead, run without me. I'll jump back in.
No, wait. How many more minutes?
It's gonna be while I'm smoking shit real quick. It's not waking up.
You good? But chat on me while
All
you
right.
smoking, okay? Don't be just sit there and enjoy your day, you know. If I'm making a loadout, I'm gonna make like 4 new loadouts, cause I swear to
Alright,
God.
go ahead.
What gun do you like right now?
Alright, give me 1 second. I'm put my headset down.
740. 740.
I'll log in. Come on, guys. Coming in, coming in.
Oh my god, this nigga so sad.
I didn't hear you join because I have what's it called mode on trigger mode.
Real one, what's up, bro?
Yeah, I know. That's why you heard.
I didn't.
What? How did you treat me today, man? What? You cheating? I'm gonna report you. Stop cheating, bro. Go fly live on TikTok.
Audio.
TikTok cheating. TikTok cheating. Everybody reporting. Report. It's embracing. Everybody report TikTok. You cheating. It's embracing. TikTok TV, MA. I think somebody's shooting at us. Let's go scan, let's go scan. Let's go scan, bro. Higher loadout. Scan your eyes. Oh. You got enough. Give me the money, please. Hey.
This is so weird. It was locking that through the nigga.
Oh, there's people on us. One guy just landed. What the fuck? It's on top, it's on top. That tree. Oh. Now we get chased out. That's a good spot.
Saved me.
Your squad mate. Well done. You're getting another chance. Weapons free.
Quiet, I'm hungry.
All bounty targets are KIA. Well done. You have reinforcements inbound.
Yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna make my noodles.
What should I use? No way he killed me. He low as fuck.
Fire sale active. Fire station price.
Don't worry, I'm gonna hide so you can spawn back.
He inside. He inside.
Yeah? Door? Eh?
You have reinforcements inbound.
Don't worry, I got you guys.
Like,
Bye.
only way he no kill me.
No tayo matad.
Like, only way he could no kill me there, sure. I shouldn't shoot one.
Squad mate back on station. Good work. Squad is outside the safe zone. Your squad mate went AWOL. Resurgence time have reduced.
Damn, somebody left.
I'm finna kill you, boy. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, nigga.
Then they cheated me.
I mean, I already said that,
Are you in the enemy?
You might be on the autistic side.
Your dad, stupid. Shut your dead ass up, man.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Stop running the water. Idiot. Oh. That was in my shit.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Where you at?
You got stuck, Nick.
Oh, look at you crashing right now.
No, because those niggas were talking trash.
But you
Oh, I
crashing,
swear to God.
bro.
Nigga, I already have my guns. Why would I want the loot that I already have?
Gas inbound.
I'm gonna die. Sorry, guys. That's all I can do. Chandler done. Chandler. School time. School time. The first one. It's on the first day. School. The first day of school. Chandler. The first day of school, okay? Okay, come on, come on, come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's the first day of school. Look outside. Look. The first day. The sun come already, eh, son? Hey, you need to put your clothes so you're not cold. Go wash your face, brush your teeth. Yes, son. Mare. Mare. Mama, I go. Yo, Dom. Hmm? Thank you. Yeah. Right. Yeah. I'm right. Morning, Chad. I'm eating. Waiting for my friend. Daddy. Cereal time for Ethan and Chantel. Oh. Yes, sir. Wait, what was that? What? Oh, it's breakfast. It's not really good, but it's about not make you stronger, give you energy. Just a little bit. Apple is good. The apple, which one you like? Look, no more. Okay, which one you like? What? Okay, I got you. Come, Chantel. Hmm? Gonna be what? Yes, sir, bless her. Sandel, I got water. Hmm? Oh, I'll leave it up there. You want it? You want the water? You need it. What? Cola is not good. Not good.
Damn it! I was about to go ham on every one of y'all.
If that was you that fell off the map, Bob.
Yeah, it's make you cool down. If you drink soda in the hot,
Damn.
hell.
I'm about to go turkey if you going ham, bud.
Hell yeah. Get it.
God damn it, piano.
Piano.
Somebody got pre-fire the piano.
Oh, he's over in the corner. Yeah, he's over in the corner. Got him.
Back of spawn.
Shit.
Still there?
Yeah, I'm about to. Alright, watch this.
Stop going to the jacuzzi.
Stop hiding behind the fucking wall by the jacuzzi.
Stop going to the jacuzzi.
Get out of your spawn.
There's a poop in the jacuzzi. There is a turd in the punch bowl. I repeat. A turd in the punch bowl.
There's a floater.
Babylon.
Yeah, there's a floater.
Nah, bro. I was playing with this country ass dude like a game or two ago. And I was like, bro, he's in our spawn. He said, no, the fuck, he ain't in my spawn. Ain't nobody coming in me. I was like, what the hell?
One plant bomb right now as we speak. Not unless he got God.
Lane and spawn. God damn it.
Oh!
Dodging bullets.
How the fuck you really know? You're a cheater, bro.
Dang, bro.
Because you
already know
go
what
through
he's
the
doing.
vent. Boy.
I already know what Cheek's doing.
What the fuck?
Oh, we gotta get the bomb down.
I don't know about that.
Stop thinking. Fuck all that.
Coming down catwalk. Jump down.
Oh, what?
Oh.
Face me, bitch.
Time's not on our side. Finish him.
Oh, I told you to stay away from that
God,
jacuzzi.
pussies.
I told you to stay away from that jacuzzi. What did I say? Floater.
Go to the
You camp
jacuzzi and
against one
die.
person.
Floater.
You were camping in your spawn. What the fuck you talking about?
What are you
Before I
doing?
came out of your spawn, dumbass.
That's your spawn, idiot.
Oh man, they're confused. They don't listen.
Fucking pussies running around.
Hardcore search and destroy. Playtime's over. Let's see what you're made of.
Woo!
Bro, fuck this game. Fuck these people. Fuck this map. Yeah, fuck them all. That Master Cheeks guy, yeah, bro. That Master Cheeks guy, bro. He's sus as fuck.
Yeah, he was ass last game.
You guys can still come back. I ain't gonna cap. I seen them before. Multiple times.
Maybe the aliens will
He was about
take
to
me
commit
back.
suicide.
Hey, I'm sorry, I gotta commit suicide on that.
Damn, that motherfucker gonna be at the fucking.
Oh, the monster. Is it you, son? Oh, it is you. Alright, guys. More fuck feelings. I'm Stilly then. Come. Mark. Come on, hurry before I go sleep. You tired. You don't want to sleep. You guys. You guys will learn more, okay? I don't know how to read. This is an apple. No, astronauts. Yeah, astronauts. Yeah, astronauts. Astronauts. Okay? I don't know who was it already. Well, what the
No, she's trying to put some trash.
fuck is it? He's working.
Yeah. She's gonna be our boss.
Oh my god. Busty.
Daddy, you didn't get your trash and put it in the trash.
I used to get plenty to do it and you come. I am superhero. Daddy didn't tell him to do it. Daddy said, I got it later. And then he come, I am superhero. I got me a deal. Yeah? See? That's what he do.
That's what she do?
Mm-hmm. Eat clean.
A long time?
Yeah, and then not long time. Chicken clean a little bit, and then you go tell the boss. You should send them a lot of mess over there.
When the kids say you're not the boss on the school, Emery just said that.
To
She said I'm the boss.
did you say you're the boss?
No, she said I'm the boss, and then she kept bullying me on my friend.
Okay, don't worry about it. Remember, somebody hurt you, and then you say, "Stop! Don't fight me. I don't want that." You do that. You stop, bro. You fight me. Okay? Oh.
I didn't do that to you in the school, yeah?
Now you guys help each other to fight together, okay? If they fight you, you fight together. So please don't bother us. We don't want to hurt. Why? Because they overran and twisted. Right? He twisted so hard, you hurt and you just stand there and didn't do nothing. That's what I say. The teachers keep saying stop and you keep doing it every day. That's not good. Come here, guy, well, mama.